Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. As an Instant Pot user, I love steaming vegetables using the Instant Pots that can work with any electric pressure cooker. And today we are showing you how to cook Instant Pot broccoli. It is so easy, the ingredients you need are just so simple, and it's perfect for quickly cooking some veg for your meals. So what do you need? First of all, your Instant Pot or another brand of electric pressure cooker. We're using our 6-quart here, so do adapt depending on the size of yours. You'll need some water, liquid of some sort to bring it to pressure. Water, you can use vegetable stock, chicken stock and such like. That's better for if you're making a meal with the broccoli afterwards, because then you can reuse the liquid. And then of course some broccoli itself. We've got plenty of broccoli for you. And then we've also got our trusted steamer basket, which is like this, so it doesn't sit directly in the water, and it's expandable, so it's great for different portion sizes. So let's get started. So first of all, put your 1 cup of liquid in the bottom. It's all about it just having a layer of liquid. So if you've got a wider pressure cooker, then you might need to adjust it to 1.5 cups. And 1 cup is 240 ml. And then add in your steamer basket. So as you can see, it takes up quite a lot of room in there, and it just makes it really easy for when you're cooking. And then you want to be doing your broccoli. So just cut up your broccoli. As much or as little as you want. You can do it for 1 person, you could do it for 4. You could even do it for, say, if you have family round. So the broccoli recipe, you know, we all have different levels of doneness. So if you like it undercooked, then you can go with a 0-minute cook time. But if you just like it normal, 2 minutes, and 1 minute is just kind of slightly under. If you're then using the recipe for something else, such as if you were making yourself a broccoli gratin. We can never quite decide how long we should say to you, because it's one of those foods that we all like cooked differently. And I think the other thing that comes into it is how big your florets are. Oh, and we've got another video you should check out if you've got an air fryer. It's what we call broccoli ends, and it's from our cookbook Air Fry Easy Every Day. And it teaches you to make a kind of similar to fries out of the stem from the broccoli. Absolutely amazing. And then of course, once you've got all your broccoli in your Instant Pot, you know, you can give it a seasoning if you want, or you can wait until it's cooked. I'm just going to add in some salt there and some mixed herbs. And there you go, it's ready to go on. So grab your Instant Pot lid, put it on, set the valve to sealing, and then you can set the time and temperature. So like I say, you're looking for doing 1 minute if you prefer it not quite done, so perfect for adding to a cheese sauce. 2 minutes or 3 minutes if you want it mushy. And if you were to use it in soup, I would recommend 5 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. So it's on its natural pressure now. So now what you want to do is you want to quickly press cancel. Release the pressure. And it's finished releasing its pressure. I tell you, the releasing the pressure feels like it takes longer than the actual cooking time itself. And the same can be said with the time it takes to go to pressure as well. So, is she done? Lid off. So the steam's finally disappeared from the broccoli. It amazes me how long it actually lasts. But now I can give you a closer look at this broccoli, and doesn't it look beautiful? And we get inside one of the pieces, and there you go. Look at that for broccoli. Isn't that fantastic? I just love how amazing broccoli is when you do it in the Instant Pot. It's just so lovely. And my food stylist, the first thing she mentioned after the first time she made this recipe was how green and lovely it was when you steam it in the Instant Pot. And if you want to see another piece, There you go, isn't that amazing? So that's on a 1 minute cook time. So we all have different versions of how we like our broccoli. You know, we're not all the same with it. And that just shows you what the stem's like as well. So if you're always cooking it a different way and thinking, oh, I love the flour part, but I can't get the stalk fork tender, then this is the way to fork tender your broccoli. And like I say, a minute cook time is absolutely spot on. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.